I buy you everything. If your bodies I buy it for you. I buy you this way, and I do you so share. Why are you taking my life this way?
Until before this way, but
Hey, why are you telling me this? And cut. That's sorry. People know me, Acrobato, aka who knows tomorrow. Look, my profession is actor. People are always giving me encouragement because of my performance. This way chocolate drink. That is my secret. You just need Ori hot water. You just put it. You just take it easy. Even it just sustain you hungry. If you take this way, never hungry. You can take it anytime, any day, anywhere, everywhere. Everybody enjoy this way.
With this way chocolate drink, all you need is hot water. Mix and stir for a creamy look, and you're good to go.
I love this way because it tastes so good.
This way chocolate drink, near Wihia Ninsushie.
FDA, ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
Abuzia voice mama kwa babio MmaraNuSeSen ene yehia ewo so no ene se de meka na asase ho asem ko a ene ye ba beka ene Lands Commission omo pani kese pa principal lands officer Lands Commission Yera Timothy Anyido ewo studio hase ya wasase ho question indenture land title ukoto ne wo search ne ni obeyi ano ade ama se de be anya ono kwa na Lands Commission for ye obukata obehunti no I said that for new lawyer no so have been solid our bachelor obi asisi wa straight up oba na mama on number ochina no pa yensu nipa no court nkoju sika no nyesa ye beji wasase ama nyesa dia enti enya asem kra eyira machia ansa lawyer ni ono so solid lawyer una branch yes no but big in head we been rough our bachelor wasase no problem yo mienu nyina e wo studio ba hu matade fefefe e wo ha ya say was closet o madam ti lawyers no mo kokota bon se no matia tum sa da medi timo echi no se sa for makola for na antete general legal counsel for my pressure sa se anya de na timo ko ana secretary na medi na echi sa black and white na me no ene ko awusia for mo akwaba frey comment follow on Facebook for a question to yenya no mabusia for good evening.
Good evening.
But also boko there.
Boko.
Council na make no small in body but big in law. Timo dia me na mini pa no. Lands Commission for your offer. No my friend no.
Yeah, so me pay.
Oh boss no.
National Service for Lands Commission.
Bible says so di wechi.
Oh
yeah.
Very small.
I beg kakra no boy babe no di wechi o ko.
Na me cry back.
Well, that's good. Yes, I know you are sitting. But council, mpacho chemuche, so say assassin wants them there a big problem.
Yes.
Money lawyer phone, assassin pa anything insuo ka ho. Kwan ya da wani me kan assassin ho. Baby a na na obi ko to knockout Christmas so what to pharmacy so. Ade so na me wiem. Dey na assassin ya kan assassin.
Assassin ya kan assassin, just like you have rightly said no. It's here for the better me tree will complement it with a little. But as I say, I can't say, Nyasa Sina or why 90 so keke. Memno casa say it's assassin or in Shukra in law no. Assassin. The air above airspace on the Nancy will be to me see your friend and say apartment way up into the sky. Sending power down or empty space. Import all top so it's in the air more or less, but on also top space. That space near assassin. Assassin is not just the bell and nice you. Insurance that honey assassin. You know, even the sea a po. Yes, in law. Pokua assassin. In law no you define assassin. You cannot say a assassin na no. Insure rivers. You know, even the airspace.
No cry was us.
No cry was us.
In the patrol airspace ne ka ho de na say bia say me fie ni a say UTV studio ha.
Yes.
Say masas me plot near.
Yes.
Bia baby I fa a studio no mo.
Yes.
E no nka me plot wo ba e ho no e ye me dia na. E soro no baby aka ne sense e ye me dia na.
Oh yes, I order.
Oh, okay.
To a reasonable, you kind of saying height. And there have been instances, even in law, a man for the court say, oh, or fly and say airplane over me massage, trap pictures without my permission. You know, in other jurisdictions, because the airspace home.
I see it drone yanko for cry. No more chicho be the foul to me.
Oh yes, but like I said, no, within a reasonable limit. You know, but yes, like we are saying, drone once me fat drone and obi assassins because in from airspace no crown
yes. I see. Yes. I see. Very interesting. Mr. Nido, more cancer as you say me, yet say bibi ebe mpese no kra yebeka na low dia interest ni ade no ye ka so obi asase ru na asase obi dia den ma na ye ne dia say ye ona nanom dia say ye nuanom kran 40 ase ablekuma abekuma wo enkran no asase ne ye omo dia e na omo te so omo fi baabi omo abeto bi kwa ofu ebo bra wa ha nyina omo so betima ka say asase ne omo dia na wan na mo obi dia na mo obi asase ru a
wa kan nyina say obi ka say obi ya asase ru a obetima ye ebusua bi betima nya asase oye kantete na ebinum ekomo kokuma ahemfo ni wi omutimi che omo asase utimi fasa kwan so nya asase obi nsu kofo bi nsu ohwa na ye busua omo atena ba bi omo bae na asase ne ka omo heritage be ka so omo inheritance omo nananum nyaaye eno omo jama eje ekire ma nkrofo ye hwe ye mremu a aban nsu timi ye asase wura si aban timi akwayo no so no timi fa amra kwan so etimi ji asase akwaila no sini ye wo so a wo efia wo hei wo so timi asase wura se wo timi tofi nipa ye asase ne de nti ye kasa obi asase wura ebetimi aye busua ebetimi aye ankro ebetimi aye aban omunyina obi etimi asase wura.
Okay, council ma membra o so bi se ebia obi ne nana no na de asase no e ma omo ahye da ntua omu tu free baabi na ebi ombetena ho na ebi a mema kwa akotena na yesi o mondodo so me na me ba me say oh me dodo so me so ma wu me dia ma me ma me asase ru ana.
Well, you can say it depends.
Okay.
It depends. And see, you first scenario ni bio. You find say bia o purchase Timo. Nana at Nasa so after a period of time now will buy and Timo my baby so just read and all of that and occupy. Okay. It depends. Or the ma in what capacity and or the ma one. Or the ma no there no ka say ye was assassin also. Okay. Or the ma no if you or the ma say just read and I said do also keke na ye ABC. Eventually who say afede it's not just a matter of reading na o ye. Or start to say bia who sisi dan ne niama also. Odi nkofofofo bi kwa ba am part of assassin no. You know, onye at the end of the day, no, when it comes up as to whether I will consider all of those things. Ebi a wo ye we nyina na oti ho. Wan ka hwe, wan challenge. Omo de buy no afi omo say, "Oh, sasa we have him lady asase." Oti ye, wan ye hwe. At the end of the day, when it comes up for determination, sa nyama we nyina be den, e be influence the outcome no as to whether it belongs to wo and now say belongs to.
But you mpese me TV biase almost bibi the squatters right say.
Yes.
Obi a squatter no bet now a certain years. Mpese ye kan say asem no na mako itimo ho no my documents no. They all can ye no. So obi bet now asase so. Na even say won ton man no. Na odi ama no so ntena no tena so na wa anye hwe. No sit down so no obeya asase wura.
Possible. Now let's go back again. First scenario now my no. Was it Timo day? Emma part of the land. Normally, with respect to squatters, no, you would realize, say, Obi and Shada mom permission.
No, I got now.
Yes. Okay. Or even if you give them permission, a bit more how mom permission, more got some more trespassers, more or less. They've trespassed on the land. Now, Kano, or the way in which I see the question on, is what we term in law say limitation. Yes, limitation. Mamincha say. And then say ebia make Katimo asemi one man nipa na kwetena asase no so or ebia wasase vimlady what asase yemfa say 1 acre be e easily gone if there's 1 acre still easily gone.
They say 70 by 100. In fact, there's a question from Obi adentin no moton no 70 by 100 no.
Okay, so back to the issue. What asase no Well, you pass by. Well, say nkrofo the kiosk nyama besi so. After a while, we sit down or 2 foundation, 1 country, 10 years, 1 country. You know, under what we call the Limitations Act, you know, the law seeks after a period of time to limit or to kind of say to close lawsuits in respect of some actions. And so what's now Squatano for 12 years without giving him any notice, for example, say Omfia assassin or so. And now so Unja assassin or there, one for now court, one anything to stop him. After 12 years, we didn't court ultimately this assassin now so 12 years. He saw me building 1 year, and by virtue of Sa law, no, the limitation decree, no, yes, it becomes his because he didn't have the title, but one stopping, no, one take any effort. What's now her share? No? So yes.
Not law no nyefe.
Oh, very.
Obi okra no wetu kwan. Obi anu wetu kwan yo. Wato oti abroche. Wato assassin no wetu kwan ko.
Yes.
So law no beka say you are limited.
Well, the general position is that if you see somebody on your land, okay, for that period of time. But of course, the law is also fair because say you come now at the end of the day, we know say, for example, you're able to mount a reasonable defense as quarter away. He knew assassin, maybe he had every what do you call it notice. In fact, things like this 12 years a year cano and people who have gone onto the land, there's something we call in law equities darling. You call it a purchaser. Okay, well, that's not equities darling, but there are so many things that are operating. That's not equities darling per se, but there are so many things that are operating. He didn't know that, you know. Ayobidia. But he's gone ahead, it's developed, and you saw it all along. So that's a bit different from equities darling. But generally, you know, yes, squatters can acquire rights if after some time you haven't challenged.
Well, a very serious person, squatters can because then yes, Omomugu tete kwashi ran about it.
Yes.
Omomo Accra Central, so maton ade over more than 12 years. Almost be argument to aban say aban we yes obetu yen. Yes, you're all right.
Yes.
Yatena hanom aban hu si eton ade. Wan ka hwe. Yabo ya patawie, afa na obetu yen. Enye asem. Nti sa law no de.
In fact, when it comes to him, say sometimes in some cases when it even comes to valuation and compulsory acquisition, it's gotten to the point where now a lot of stipulations by World Bank and financiers, you know, they've actually made provisions
for squatters.
Rights.
Yes, for squatters.
Is it Ghana specific?
Well, not necessarily. It's a development country specific, and a good reason.
Because here was squatters.
Yes, sir. Who are buying more agencies, baby? Are buying assassin. More share mancrofu yaba, and no more share the economic livelihood. The Nipane yenini di obedin and the Busian bid. One jai, one charm on my ejuma or into a wedi DSM no more share. Omun kase, Sasnabe Daniel would dear per se, but Hona no more business war. Omunyaka credit wom into no say.
Tete kwashi says here, a kasi junior a roader. Or say a buying tree, a cedar,
a cedar. Some N1 acquisition ye or N1. In fact, me a privilege said I'm a part of process no. Okay. Omu as part of loan na ye J for sa road no. Ye tu as squatters kakra. Some amount of compensation, and I remember very well.
Squatters. If that is what the law says,
no, because law no good reason for that. One, nanka ye protect sa honoma nanko amba ho. Nti no emma government agencies nye more diligent. Say ye ma ye man mba na sa. Na wo twen ma ne basa wie no nye bibi di wo mu a. In fact, so kwa mani bibi. That's how the World Bank views it. Mani bibi kakra na ono so.
It's more remember my process so be koto asase then also but obi busa question be on social media Facebook say then as say a ton asase na 70 by 100 na 100 by 100.
Oh, any dey ye expand in fact quantity no ye so asase dooso. In fact, you say near kakra say ukopasa say dey to fa bo ne ato bibi ebedu na wafa. Nanso yenyi anipa adooso ne ade nti na eni bieba yenka se ni bieba anti asenso ba nti yeso te ebia ebedu yen banso no na
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 50 by 50 abo 50 by 50
it's a resource as say again how we manage it and then we say go for plot 100 by 100 plot na ye ka no e asase ye twa ma o e ni standard size per se lead that out of practice over time
and
near 100 by 100 na be 70 by 100 binum cry no 70 by 70 in fact we hwe wo minimum say wo fit my area yi wo hwe semi detached yo musisi ya e bi cry even 50 by 40 cry for semi detached into no what we call a plot size it will keep changing because of densities.
But before we call a process no so no bi se me mbusa say so carry you for here omote dan for store any omo ni baby ada e bi ada ho no over 12 years oma gain
most of the time by the time obeda ho no we say as lawyer can knowledge is one of the things so we nim say you obi dia and as nipa na kire o say e ne dia ti obi store na ni maybe dey so baby anopa onim say obi dia wa ma notice nti enye say we ja wa ma wa otena wa ama 12 years now but nti knowledge is also one big factor in all this unim say nipa ne dia and na wan fa kosi kwan so amfa once we nim na dia
nti bacho kan eti mo chemu okoto asase we novice unim asase problem am nkofo bebe aware go I'm telling you nkofo bebe ni omo yire num ni omo yire busuafo ne ade nti okoto ade na onye first thing
me pese me timu den say lawyer nso be oka ono so be hwe ho say first thing pese me ka say asase no si ekoto a na nkiyenya professionals yenya hu nti asase asemu a ka be boa yem
wa mo na ti asase asemu
lawyer wo hei unse waka nsem bebre a kire sabi ukohu no na one ne koka asase nsem a obetimi titi ni mepi obuka chen say lawyer me hu obi pese oto asase ma me so oye hwan ona ye ohene no ona ye nana no because imra pf asase it that's the first thing meka second thing the general procedure me de be ma say uhu obi Mrs. Michelle lawyer me see o me pass asase so media ai pacho ma me o site plan na me nye search site plan na me nye search site plan e paper bi e be kire bo say ya draw onyema kakra wo say be kire asase ne bo hye ne we hwe na
and na no mind square and na site plan and na wan fa bi ama
and man fa bi ama
oh next week also di bi ba na ye mo bi ehun say we na site plan obi o be bunu no nim
obi timi to wie kra na onye hu site plan
kwada no atu aka
okra receipt onim asase ne bo hye dia atnyani a kire no eno no ebeboa wo se wo ba lands commission na wo pese ko lands commission ye agent yanka se aban futu ye de ato ho se omonhwe asase so nti no se wo ba na wo de all the paper no aba no wetua ya hwe ama wo ye be hwe se obi a register ba de no se otia se nye obi anso na register na asase nti no wo be ko a step further na se wanka sankasa asase no so wa hwe de ekoso wo ho wegina asase no so kakra hwe se obi mfa anu ebi ngu ho a obi mfa bibi ngu ho enyina aboa obetimi ebise se nkofo mo omo bo hye wo ho se asimesisi ne dia na mo atese obi abeton bibi wo ha se nyima enyina aboa se onya sa abotre na ebeboa wo pi ka se nipa bone fo wo ho na nso timi yesa anema wo ya ebeboa wo pi na kyese wehu se nipa na oton ono na ne dia na se nya ne dia nsa na wakọ ani
nti excess by force who follows up procedure answer now discussion obi nsem
no correct in fact the ye organa dodo ne say ya to awie yenka say ya to awie ye kura document na lawyer for ye dia best form register mami ana say ye behu na awie no na de be siesie awie se nipa na enye ono a dada usika kodi ni ho dada and the lawyer no mbehwe ada nkwan obetimi afa so age usika na so ye de ba ta no wa ye bibia awie no we ye awie no na fe no aba aban ho say o me ba be register on the assumption no na gidie say ade ni bibia ye okay ebitimi si na bibia ye okay because ni papa wo ho ebi nso timi si wo be ba no na ebia na asem ho na afe na wo sa ba be fa
council wo free sa point we a wo de wa search na say wonim ahemfo ne mpanifo akese no wo ye de nko search obu wo so a wo busa no wo to wo hene bi ho ohene no so wawu ono de ma ne ba na ne ba bedi ade e na we say di ma we e na no wo fa bi ba ya na manso bi wo ho ye di case no a case na free ohini we mu ho e dey accord this family ho wo a wo ye ukoto ade wo be ye den
well eno na
Timo Akano
in fact to go a step further no searches no, you have different kinds of searches.
Okay.
And I'm sure said Timo Bechem, you have title searches, you have plan searches, you have different.
Castle.
Yes.
Abutre. Search na ye koye wo asase no ho ye wo mu aworo miensa.
In fact, more
maybe more.
More than that.
Maybe more. Well,
Utumi ko search for title.
yes.
Land title.
Yes.
And I search for plan.
Yes, you can do what you call a plan search. That's a site plan. No, not Timo can. What the site plan?
Okay.
Ebeko.
Okay.
No more. Title searches. Oh, but the basic thing that make can say there's a problem. Where's the method? Where's your judgment? Where's your say? So our judgment, at the end of the day, judgment you're plotting.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yes, you're plotting. Into where searcher, it will show.
Pacho, also your judgment are plotting. You di asem ma obi wie. No,
Yes.
nipa we ni a.
Yes.
You be plotting wa asase no so.
Okay, Vim lady, very typical example. Many Timo, and I am fan say again, we need Timo, Marco court over Asasibi, 2 families. Ebia now say assassinate your there. Now Marco court. At the end of the day, the assembly Timo say it's his. Okay, what does he do? I also this our judgment now. Call to Lands Commission now. For the records to be altered to show say
Oh no ye asase ra.
exactly by virtue of such judgment no and then your friend plotting so you plot the judgment.
Okay.
So eventually you can say bia wo vim lady wo what to asase ama obi na nipa na fa we no. If Timo has gone ahead and plotted, it should show that that land, as of the time of sale, is no longer
mine. But as you say,
exactly
Timo
the point. Exactly.
Into ko search ya obehu Timo instead of me there no.
Well, of course, the presumption is say it has been plotted.
Okay.
Oh.
But what if case bebre ya edi no? Typical insase case no. Ya be ma judgment no be ACH ko stay of execution or the blog akoto judgment so. No wasan ko e be a court of appeal. Nti wo wini e wo high court asase ne ye wo dia o but obi e fa echi another party wo case him e the court case yem court of appeal and supreme court nti say obey den is that asase ne still ye betimi plot am out.
You know the point in say as Timo said you conduct your search you see professionals sometimes even if you ask around who be sir you will know say Manso assassin.
Okay.
You understand? After all, the highest court of the land is the Supreme Court. If you to go all the way to the Supreme Court, and the judgment.
Now what? Now hang it it's not fair.
You know?
No, it is. As lawyer can at every particular time, no, obi we knew a high court. O pesa auto manso na won nim se manso ne wo. E se wo twen na what say ya pi wo ho. E betimi ayama ye be plot ya ma wo ha. But appeal no dane na. Ye ne de be dane no be ko. And son e to Supreme or can to Supreme Court na Supreme Court kind of final ya. De wo meka no ene so na be ka.
Nti na so corner asem no court men tokra.
Say na ka advice ne ma lawyer de onum no be ma mo advice ma mo to but you betimi who potential de betimi esi. Say dane yes yen ko yen se oka aba aban mu a Lands Commission mu dia court ne be ka wasase wan ne edi be ye adwuma se manso wo ho a se manso ni ho a ye hwe wo papers mu a ne ahwe de edi nti no se manso wo ho de a ene se court ne kan ya ye de be ko in fact ochina ye ko a court ne be ko se nti wa hwe a nti na court na nkasa se egro to say asase sem dawso na se we hu se land court aba even high court ne ade because mo identify say so munya judges so mo te de ekoso no nti no eta na ye de se omuka lawyer for yi omuko di omo asem no omuka se ya ye di ombeka be ye
nti Lands Commission kwa the lawyers mbeka na mo mutie
se omuko court se amanso wo so ne ade court ne beka no ene de be ye adwuma
okay mbacho Timo hwese me for Timo Mr. Anyido Mr. Anyido enti e friend say obi betimi aye tenant wa asase so say asase no unse ye se ye kanya so ukoto a obetimi a rent asase.
Oh, say rent lease ne ye ka say lease so obi ma wasase or the infi kakra ma wa obetimi de edu num obetimi de the be ma obi an in fact technically a tenancy na wo
tenancy
lease unye so
we say 50 years nya unye fiera
uye assassin ye o dia for sa years na ye dia ma no say say sa afini twemu a no wasa aba nipa na ode ye ne dia no ho no wasa se opese odi bi ka ho ma wa no odi bi aka ho ma so for that period no unse what e be ka say what terms lawyer be ka omo be ka say what terms ye di nema be hye mu ama o te so aye say si dan ye say sa ne ma no na say odi so na amra ne do and then obetimi adane ne ho na
okay enti council na mbese o ma me question ba timo council say yenye search but council search no kwa wan wie o so o di be see plotting no but o can plan search wo title wo wo search wie o be den no at what point now we decide say we dey genuine to mamintua.
Okay, so Vimle, let me give you another strategy you have. A man from Bebraining, but ebi obi okra ne ho popo so oton ntem because I catch and so we assassin me ho na achievement na me person me ton a hot cake. We have something we call, for example, a contract for sale. And then said you agree with the landowner. As I say, I want to buy, but I want to conduct searches. Provide me with the necessary documentation. Contracts. Let's have a contract for sale. It'll be a 15% of purchase or sale value now will pay. I give it to you while I conduct the searches. By your contract, that in principle, no, as I say, what on me. If you go and conduct your searches and at the end of the day, it's okay. What do? You go and pay the remaining, what do you call it, purchase value and all of that. But back to the question, yes, while you try and conduct your searches, just to at least secure the land. So you don't lose, maybe I say it's 100,000, I say 20,000. It means that at least, if it turns out, you saved yourself 80,000.
Yeah.
Yes, but there are different searches, site plan searches, title searches. Maybe any panels or title. Now I forge baby amount. Forging so come.
Yes.
But so long as you haven't taken that title document, that title document to the Lands Commission, which is the government, agency or the state agency mandated to oversee, such activities. You cannot say it's genuine. All of these things are there just to assist. You do all of these.
Into kutasa contract or contract na wo ne asasi wa ne ntem. Say most of asasi companies na ba no ugo tu esika no ma ye bibi. Sa eyin document no de bank in danger. And a contract of sale. Come on, say omo the side plan. Omo ye file bisa.
Yes.
Omo the plastic atari echeni enim no.
Yes.
No ma side plan. No the paper be atare enim claiming say in danger. In danger.
A lot of it is just deeds of transfer. Your friend, generally they are deeds of transfer. Okay. Because a bit me a lease like Timo Kai or the assassination for a certain term. A bit me a assignment. Ebia hin man 50 years. As of the time on no plot amount 2 years are passing, he's assigning to you the rest of the 50 years. So that will be the 48 years. Yes. Contract for sale no dear. It is just a stopgap mechanism. Okay. While you are doing your search, just to secure the land. Maybe also a hot.
But your contract of sale is different from receipt now. As you are from the mountain.
In fact, all contracts generally now they serve as receipts, more or less, because for transaction, you state in law what we call consideration. Consideration a bit me is car. Until we say sometimes what shall is now for the sum of. Or so yes, Into buma receipts, but if they don't give you the receipts in that document, man for generally I'm offering indenture. One secretary be not like you rightly described. We flip I know what I could do last page now the signature boy we in a template, I mean in there you at least have the figure or the amount.
I just what you are saying.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It's more the accounts okay. Who search now who say we and our mouse or say j we have contract of sales okay medicika say ama asumesi e woda say or dancing mo na wo no one lawyer ansa e na wo wo man dem mo contract of sale na obeye dan ama wo hu say o ma ansa paper na obeye dan ama wo hu say we a genuine because most of it the accounts okay say en ko genuine ko yes I plan no who say no bozo farm we yen fast we hot cake nkofo guso your foundation no
who say na make no say obi a me ejuma mai nyina wo lance ho no obi a oye comfortable odi no kre no o abotre o asase ho on pre ho sa de bia no ye te sa asase no e bitimi amoane e de ache botum akọ ba bi asase na da ho yi
okay
Ni ne ye ka wo mo se ahemfo se wan to ne sisi a wo be kwa aba afe we be na asase ne da ho ade ne ye pre wo ho se to ne ntem enu so timi ka bibi wo adwen mu se
o yes ye ne ntem
ebia na me nka se bi nyina atesa but na so etse bi ka bibi wo adwen se ade na ye pre me ho se me ye ne ntem ko asase no se bi botom na kire wo do se wo ko na dia wo ene ya ye wo aban asase a aban dia man krofo a enfie twem a obekọ asase ne wo honom ade na wo ho ye mfa ma obi fufuro asase ne bebi esia na esi nipa na otoe no ama obi hweso ama no nti no sometimes no nkofo omo atwa asase ne ho yie a omo nim so omo pepa ne genuine no obo nye wabotre omo ma woni ama no wakọhwe nkrata mu se wo hwe na ye ofa na infa ofa airport Accra airport cantonments so other regions because say UTV ko ekire ko Kumasi na ko ridge area ohwe nsase e da ho obi to o wabotre ma because obi mu ahwem because onim say ne nkrata no edim but say eye opre wo ho sana e say timi kire wo bibi obi hu no na wo discount we na okoye search na afafi do so mess sama me de beto ha
estate companies to come and person we because that's what they do so abroche for so oni ha e bi aninu bi me hu sister bi wo Delta airline o swing also ato asase 110 plots amane bra ono no o tey say omo ya advert and o say o ne bra meto ne bra ni Ghana Silicon Valley omo IT fo omo bra bebrebe omo nayi watam sika no de abra ne sister no so nkoto company na ye de asase mo omo no say ba bia omo kwaje nti na council can be about assignment any ade me pese o be kire mu pa wo koto no want to boy unim assignment asem ena unim heyi lease asem wo de answer onipa na say ene dia na wakoto nti onipa sa no obeye de no say company no what you can be 75% company no unim ne office ni ade afa ye kwaje asase na company na tu obeye den
a issue of trust oji company ni di sin procedure no process no
so the company BND
ya campaign bia say uti advert in fact say me ton car ene na uti say me ye car advert still uko DBL there so by call we say car no o mediana but ye ti sane ma na ya na ye feel say bibi omo ye nyina edim but
I omo kan advert mu say we dey asase ye genuine papers ye genuine
inti so uko a hwehwe sa paper na ye genuine now be confirm say ampa ye genuine ansa na wetua
even the company
on the company onu na see e genuine nti usu bisa say we no menchi o genuine paper na me ko ma me ya wo kan 10 plus ni sika ketwa ko nya obi o was onim asase mu nim de di nanim ana so odu company nim no see o company o ampa me be to 10 o de ma me 10 na me nkoye hwe nkrata mu hwe say ampa modin mu because sometimes enye sanity the way I would say no marketing the mo amoye mu de we advert mu de mu say we tie nkofo no mo kan de sa na we bitimi etukura edro no za ono ma we bitimi ni wakoso but again entesa intinu bibia the way ye hwe ye bibia ye hwe mo hwe
but more lands commission for more BBC be as Bank of Ghana for the regulating banking sector we a bank na wadwuma so ene ani ayu wadwuma so ene a Bank of Ghana ma wa approval muni bibia mo de regulate asase company we oye papa we onye papa mento asase o muni
ye law na ye regulators of those ye nkofo ye de asase na to ye records mo ntino wa oni association e bia greda e bia we say freedom of association
yeah but other na mo push say ye nya amendment na obia o say oton asase bia je say owo land commission ahwe no amana approve ansa na waton asase
enye lands here lands commission cry ye here law me katem bia me dem ra me the pharmacy council law ye excuse ye ni fi bebre mat ye so no chemicals obi aton chemical omo pass pharmacy council law build to law na je say unye pharmacist untimi tina pharmacy amano it will say a regulating yama lawyer for nso e wo law ye say wo person we practice e say unya we tinanke nye no bi say ka obeye real estate nya de a professional bi di anim in fact law real estate bill akwa anim aba akwa anim na komuma professionals bi say be a lawyer and be a land economist and a surveyor be no ondi companies na anima eno no sa nipa na professional qualification be at stake eno no so be di anim make sure say why ye ni because anko ye a wo na ye be so but currently no sam run ni ho sa intino se minyame kakra na me pese me to asase na me to na me bo ho ban na me say me ton a say me free enterprise you hear constitution na me
ti no mo sisi nkofo so ache
me pese me free enterprise
because o can be about assignment wo a wo ye oti ofia wa bo bra oti abrochire oti makola oti o kan shi oti o akra de say de obenya good future for manti obepe bibi say nipa na oso oton asase say e assignment de kuta no e lease ana aka bi 30 years anato wo a wo koto obeye de
okay wow koto obeye de it's very simple. It goes back to Ade Kai. First and foremost, I was say we share documents na ni panedi ma. And now we bisano. Okay. We bisano. We share.
So ni pano ko bisano no person e obukata dada o. Oh. Obu akra so okuta paper no e assignment analysis onim.
Good. Vim lady. Sir, even say me home family or some doctor because I don't know anything about medicine or even if I know anything about medicine very little. Media, I don't know much about media. If I want to learn to host, I have to come and see you. Lance or something Huntimo. It goes back to the same thing.
Okay.
And see the professionals. Speak to them. We'll call Lands Commissioner. Ask. See a lawyer. Because assignments, we won't hear assignments. Lease, you don't, understand it. Freehold, leasehold, all of these legal terms. So at least if you won't tell say ben lawyer bisano documents we know be their mame or say assignment, what is the meaning? It's just saying if you could ask a very huge amount of money for all you know nipa no be maybe some 5 years to stay on the land na landlord na be gina asase also what to asase. And in your mind, no. What was I say? And all of that. Yes. So it is very, very important. And when he answer man for the professionals, Bekasa, that is the only way I'll be say. At least read the document yourself. What questions I be saying?
Read the accounts and you match. So on TSU, already on TSU. Chroma do also can him reading crampo betiase. Indeed, the good things are bra lawyer ho.
Yes.
Lance no bin show money who said it here. Because Lance asem the also work na doctors kwa di yomo. Suma mada. But Timo now by the way, era wadanfo bi am say era Frimpong, Kofi Frimpong.
Yeah.
O say ah wo chire law ni mpa.
Kofi, thank you.
O say law ni mo na wo chire no. But Timothy, Mr. Anyido, say obi akoto asase na ade wi o ka say council aka land title and all that. Unya ukosechi wi na say nipa ne ye na de na watu aka. Is there anything e wasa wo ye? Obe de hu say land title where nipa ne can correct. Council say you fake ho. In nature we correct. Fake. Then difference the womb.
Oh, say your imran trade the way obey no. Fake no ebitimi ye nipa bone for omafa the way ye no na omaye so mo ye nti no say wo ba ye ho yetimi hwe in fact ade a nansen abeye ade ankofo bonefu bia ye mo adwen so mo so sa kwan so no mo fa enye sika nti no mpacho boko say wo ba yetimi hwe mu ma wo hwe se no cre document enini ye behwe amawo ebia na nipa no so ese ode ne nsa to ase no enye ni signature no ode ato ase no so timi ye one area of dispute nti no eno no say ahemfo ne bi wo ho mo de mo signatures abema ye nti ye wo samples wo ho yetimi hwe say the way assignment as o kan no meaning say obi wo ena oto ama obi a na ye wo nipa no old document obi sutimi be hwe say
but you right obi send a question wo Instagram o say obi ne maami akoto asase dana asase wi an ka so mbeje nkrata no ayese asase wi an yare pa afi ne maami call back kom ko je se asase wi an awu ono so atena ho ane maami ne so awu but asase wi an surviving wife e wo ho omo so a document ne be ka omo za omo asase
no
kanso omo asase
ne nya no it depends
sa ho
it depends yem fan say assassinate and dia nyesa there's no question about it the fact assassinate papa na dia it's for him no question uchi ask no but want me anya transfer not just say at least why documents ni bibia dia to
just document or say oda mo ka so mo koje document ni say papa na wu no
say o hwe what do you call it? Most of these transactions are normally there'll be a witness.
Okay.
There'll be a witness. And it depends. If at the end of the day you can prove, say, he knew. Maybe the wife crying him. This person or that person. Yes, so why not?
Okay.
Yes.
Obi question or not opese obusa no. Obi su busa say langas itimo langas. Omo kan lands commission moduma mo ye ho ana.
Dabi enu ye kan langas no ye Ghana pena yetimi ma adebone beda ne edin an ye so.
Conditionary.
Ye kan den na langa. Lawyer be catch say ni obi wote wasase so. No be ba obo ye shase obo trespass din je say me masase a meti baby no wasa aba masase so uba ye odi machofo aba so odi unsa bombe so ye mi say ya assault criminal many offenses around that ti ade a ye friend land guard wo Ghana no na me me din kra say me ka say me ma betum say land guard go then land guard no obi everybody has a right to protect his property until you protecting the property. And in doing that, so make sure say you've done it in the context of the law. Untimi in fawo kwan so enko din sem. Nti landguard for the ye ka say obi betimi dia obona asase ho ban but eno nche say obekọ asase bi so na wakobubu niama na the name baby it creates all kinds of problems.
Nti enye landguards for money omunya eduma. Mo accept you.
And anytime we boss ankomo we na me ka say ye bo near the police for ka ho near the court ka ho near the way kan because at the boni ukoya de baako landguard boni ebe fimu aba no eye niema ebe fimu aba na edoso menka boni efimu ba niema ebe na edoso police for bebe court betimi abem nipa kunkum betimi ebem nipa betimi pre nipa say si da yeti da into what we call land guardism me am kai me di vigilantism komo ai kona say omutimi ka say nkofo ni bi omo ye omo ashada omo say land guard and omo an omo azada ne omo akoye kotifo omo ye ensemboni wo ba bi ntin it's something that we as a country we must look at holistically e sha ase na nkofo de bobo omo ho ban because e kro no enyi mi krom say be mi krom ukọ no ma land guard bi ni because be any ho obi anto asase bia urban areas ya baby pressure woso enema ma sania
council so ukọ no obi ti wasase so a all right so tu nipa no
oh yes
just wa to asase no
yes
obi case omo to asase we foundation oja o ni sikasa oba na obi ato adan no so wa to adan no so ubetimi ai bibia na
ubetimi ai bibi say
ba uni paper o
uni
paper on say normally o mo ton ma say kaso ani ade ye ton anu start so wo ye no na wo ye paper no start foundation usikasa o ba nipa no so asase ne ye ne dia o start wa to wo foundation so akosi soro asase ye hwan dia
well uni paper o ba onu ye we na che say bia or challenge your title the right, what do you call it, agency of state that can determine some matter no is the court, the matter of title. So you go and challenge his title in court for a determination.
Adena nipa 2 koto asase na nipa 3 koto asase emrane nche asase wa na wato ama nipa bebre no now say munina mo nko court nkotwe manson na yehu we should determine who the owner of the land is. Why?
Oh, so what now about asase? Una usika ya stake. Most often no, if you realize
the author assassin dey only sika no nko.
Debi anyasa. In fact, at the end of the day, the advisable thing is that you can even join that person to the matter.
Oh, okay. Asasira no.
Yes. You can even pursue asasira no in a very different what do you call it? For a suit. You know, for your money. If you realize that no needs her title, no Toma. You know, so there are many things that you can do. But Obai, he is built on it. On also say, you know, I have title. So maybe you want to find out who sold it to you.
Okay. Timo, next week, you bet me am lands commission more back. Now the copy of land title.
Oh, in fact, na me cram the Bible enye di.
What the bar near be a phone lines na o mabusa question direct say we okuta side plan okra fake wom. And original
wom. Oh, send no credit. You say qualified surveyor na ye nti no ebi wo hono ma.
And also surveyor bem.
Na say side plan surveyors na light plan site plan.
I see.
Nti no and emra
so. And also sign qualified.
Yes, emra wo ho. In fact, the life 1444 nti bibia ye kan asase usem. Emra wo ho a a guiding anywhere, you know, how but over time, no, ebia ye nebu su kakra, ha, and ebia ye na. They said you are no can say no, who can say only lawyer bonko, you can say. I didn't nkofo no ton assassin. If I would share your registration laws now, oton assassin the same as assassin me no more bia a offense under the
na monchi assassin for no.
Osi mo monchi ni nkofo na omo ton ademie no. Omo prefer so omo mienu betwe man so because say be ya hemfo sema ye wo enidie bi. Emma ye wo enidie bi ma ye me nka say ye ne ye nchi omo. Wo ayaji wusika. Why nkofo timi dia hemfo court. Emma court no lo abeka ama court di omo di for. Omo di for court intimi order cost court intimi order almost some refund this car intimi people be sati approach nipa na oton ade ne mom rather than omo mienu betwe man so na ebe boy nyina but won say nipa no obedane against nipa na as ye kan no foundation ni nipa na oto aso omo ku nipa na oton assassin de omo gya na on because oye omo landlord wo ho obi a person omi person offending no so me we ni we a me ne nipa no wo contractor e be lasting for a lifetime you know sometimes sometimes a cultural nana you work nana kasem nana si omi ma side planner only hwan na wa kokko into no
but Mr. Nido ye beto aso nyankopon ye adoma next week into council ye ndo wase council Ayram Achia Ansa Esquire lawyer kese wa unim dada nti
Esquire
Esquire me share that the council Esquire we obetia S azana the square na kana je say oh no be 1000 Ghana de wa boka o so tia nyina kan law school enya better sa unu de ye omo be failures and therefore azana ya share organ no tu ko o so tia nyina kan nti la that bebre say na wa boy am o de yakọ MmaraNupa Mr. Timothy Anyido ho so principal lands officer Lands Commission no so be 1 year no so baby no lawyer papa lawyer kum lands officer say okokota agise mdi na echikuta ne bag nti ye don wase next week e be phone line so ntu de opa ifia da crowd to mbetwen wa for lands paper ne bra timo ne be break akra but ye be mo wa check o paper ni na ma Jenny obe mo hu wrong so obe mo hu ye fa Afia Pokuaa we MmaraNuSeSen ye da se otie ma o share wo social media thank you unu e bia hwa ka chen say next week MmaraNuSeSen no ensase ni na ho ensem ye da se ye ma mo nyina mo ni hwe